Here's how to use the external page code to add to a different website. First and foremost, you would go to, you'd enter the name. So test code. And then you would say, where do you want this to go back to? Let's say I want to go to join free.easydragdrop.com. Thanks for opting in. Just following the forms, it's very easy to do. Mail campaigns, then pick whatever mail campaign you want it to go to. Select one in your back office. And then what do you want it to display? Which fields are actually required? First name, last name, email, phone number, and which ones are required. Okay? Once you've done that, you hit save. It says record was saved. All right? And then you get two types of code. Some work on some websites, some don't. So here's the raw HTML, which most websites take no issues. And then you have your Java type here. Let me go ahead and show you. All right, here's a random website, and let's say I wanted to add sort of code. Well, this website has HTML, so I could just go and drag HTML right there. And now it's asking me for the HTML. This is a third-party website. So now let me go over here, and I would just grab this and go all the way down, or just actually hit copy code, that'd be easier. Go back in the website, hit paste, hit save, and then sure enough the form pops in. And if I saved and published this website, let's make sure it works. Let's do a test. It's taking a minute here to publish this site. All right, let me click on it. Say John Doe at gmail.com. Put some random stuff in there. 555 Okay, they wanted it. Information. It says thanks for opting in. I hit OK, and sure enough, it takes you right to Easy Drag Drop. The form works flawless with that HTML code. That was a third-party website, and you could collect leads on third-party websites using our external tool.